Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like my teacher.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Greetings and introductions. In the park.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. What is your name?
My name is Tom. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have two sisters.
2. Things they like. Do you like? Do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. Do you like playing games?
Yes, I like playing games. Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
3. Favorites. What is your favorite? What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a cartoon. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is a storybook.
4. Sports. Do you play football?
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football. Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like cricket. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Do you run fast?
Yes, I run fast. Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch sports on TV. Do you play tennis?
No, I don't play tennis. Do you like basketball?
Yes, I like basketball.
Do you have a ball?
Yes, I have a ball.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play outside.
5. Family. Do you love your family?
How many people are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Jerry.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Luce.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have two sisters.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you play with your brother?
Yes, I play with my brother.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
6. Education. Do you go to school?
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What class are you in?
I am in class 7.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like my teacher.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you do your homework?
Yes, I do my homework.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you write every day?
Yes, I write every day.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.